Frigidaire oven error code F5 2025 is an error that occurs when there is a problem with the oven's temperature sensor or its connection to the control board. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. First, understand that the F5 error code indicates a temperature sensor fault, which can be caused by a faulty sensor, loose connections, or a malfunctioning control board. To begin troubleshooting, turn off the oven and unplug it from the power source to ensure your safety. Next, locate the temperature sensor, usually found inside the oven cavity, and check its connection to the control board. Verify that the sensor is properly plugged in and not damaged. If the connection is loose, secure it and try running the oven again to see if the error persists. If the connection is not the issue, the temperature sensor may be faulty and needs to be replaced. You can purchase a replacement sensor from a Frigidaire authorized dealer or online retailer. When replacing the sensor, make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions and take necessary safety precautions. In some cases, the control board may be malfunctioning, causing the F5 error code. If you have checked the temperature sensor and its connection, and the error still occurs, it may be necessary to replace the control board. This is a more complex process and may require the assistance of a professional appliance technician. To prevent future occurrences of the F5 2025 error code, regularly inspect the oven's temperature sensor and connections, and ensure the oven is properly calibrated. Additionally, always follow the manufacturer's instructions for usage and maintenance to minimize the risk of component failure. By following these steps and taking proactive measures, you can resolve the Frigidaire oven error code F5 2025 and ensure your oven operates safely and efficiently. Remember to always prioritize your safety and the safety of others when working with electrical appliances.